So this is my part 2. So as per the task sheet, I had the requirement for the task part 2 is we had to build a real working DevSecOps pipelines in it. After that, after building the actual application and integrate it with the Sonar Cube for automated code quality and security analysis. So it is a Sonar Cube is basically a tool which automates our code and gives a detailed report on bugs, vulnerabilities, code smells, and etc. So this task sheet asks us to do the SonarCube dashboard with result after the pipeline has run successfully. So for this I had used the application. As you can see, application on my GitHub as well. I will show you my repository. So this is my repository. I had used the application called OWASP Juice Shop. So this is a special application that is intentionally built to the vulnerables. So I had firstly created the OWASP, and which stand for the Open Web Source Application Security Project, which specifically for the testing, education, and demonstration purpose like this. I am using this for that purpose. It only contains real security flows like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, etc. And this suits best for me to demonstrate this DevSecOps SOAP pipeline. So I had choose this. So as you can see, I had also access into my terminal, and here I had access the juice soap, and then it will be shown on my GitHub repository as well. So now let's open my Jenkins and check whether it is working or not. So this is my pipeline which I had made here. So I will show you my latest build output. So this is my output. So as you can see, this is my output. This is my console output. Here are many stages. The first stage is about checkout SCM, where it pulls the code from the GitHub, and then the Jenkins always have the most update to date version for the GitHub. After that, the second is for installing dependencies. So here my dependencies has been installed using the npm install to download and set up all the package and libraries. After that, the third functionality is build application. So this is my build application here. So there it comes, my build application. So it will build the application, and that from the Angular front end of the application. Then after that, the fourth stage is run test. It will generate all my tests, and then we will go to the generate coverage report option, which is the fifth stage. Generate coverage. This generate a report showing how much our code is covered by the test, and this is the important for code quality because it tells all the part of the code that has no test at all. After that, the sixth stage. After that, there is a sixth stage, which is the scan and using the npm audit. Here you can see it found 58 vulnerabilities in the juice shop application. Now it is the problem. So this proves the security scanning tool is working correctly and detecting all the real issues in it. And the seventh stage is sonar cube analysis. Here we had get the execution successfully. So now you can see a pipeline overview as well. I will show the pipeline overview from there. So this is my pipeline overview. You can see it from here. So this is my correct pipeline overview. I will show you the npm audit options as well. This is my npm audit option, and I will show you all the vulnerabilities here. So as you can see here, there is 58 vulnerabilities. It is where 6 are lows, 11 are moderate, 34 and 7 critical vulnerabilities which we had to cover. So now I will show you something which is separate from everyone else. So as you can see here in my DevSecOps pipeline, you can see it is integrated with it is showing this, and it is also integrated with the Sonar Cube. So as you can see, this is my Sonar Cube, which is running on my personal or my local host. So it will showing about the codes. So as you can see here, I had changed the code. It is showing zero bugs, zero vulnerabilities, and showing A plus security for everyone. So the overall code, I will see here, it has given the reliability as C, security as A, security review as E, which is very bad for us, and maintainability as A. So this is from my side, showing the DevSecOps, and for the Sonar Cube I will show this also on the cloud. I had done on the both. So as you can see here, there are 727 open issues, 6.0 duplication and coverage. So this is my dashboard which is showing here. I will show you summary as well. This is my summary. So as you can see, this is summary from my side. So now let's move on to further. So this is my pipeline. So as you can see, it is running successfully. You can see it here as well. If you wanted, I will show you my pipeline script from here as well. So this is my pipeline script. See it as well. So this is perfect. Thank you. Have a nice day.